How to fix low call volume on iPhone. Well, basically or generally, to increase the call volume on your iPhone, you want to ensure the volume is turned up during calls. You'll find the volume button at the right hand side of your iPhone. Now on your right hand side, then similarly, you want to check for any obstructions to the speaker like a case or a screen protector and clean the speaker if needed. If you're having issues, then you can also restart your iPhone, right? Now, however, if you're still having the issue, now here's a simple fix. You can proceed to open up settings on your iPhone. Once you open up settings, what you want to do is you want to head over to the sounds section. So you want to head over to sounds and haptics. Then here you can see ringtones. You want to go ahead and drag this all the way top and again drag it and check if this fixes the issue. If this video helped, do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.